What's up, guys? It's Love. I'm gonna go to the Pumpkin 10,000 rally this morning. I was gonna take the M3, but we're not quite there yet body wise, so I'm taking the 335i today. Should be fun. It's still doing the misfiring quite a bit until I get these injectors replaced, but we'll try to not misfire today and take it a little easy on acceleration. So I'm gonna film from the car a little bit from the dome. We'll get some footage from that, and I'll try to cover some of the cars at the actual meet at the very end after the 2-hour drive, so stick around.
Show him what's up, dude. Get that guy to leave.
Waiting to get into the Pumpkin 10,000 car show at the end of the rally, so it's gonna be a bunch of cool cars. Bunch of awesome cars here. Bunch of awesome cars out on the road today. It's pretty awesome. Alright, if you know me well enough, you know I'm not like a super huge fan of these, but this one looks awesome. Super awesome, man. What year is it?
2005.
Awesome. I've been seeing more and more about Gator Motorsport. Where are you guys located?
96 in Michigan area. Just a little bit east. But yeah, you come by, check it out.
Awesome.
We always have a bunch of toys, not just Lotus cars. So
very cool, man. I'll come check it out sometime. Alright guys, we saw a bunch of cool cars, had a really good time today. It was awesome. These events are always really killer. So I'll see you at the next one.